If there's one thing I love making in my air fryer more than anything else, it's gotta be these crispy chicken tenders. Extra crispy chicken tenders. I love them, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So when it comes to making extra crispy chicken tenders, I have a secret. So I use a typical dredge method where we season our chicken tenders with some salt and pepper, whisk a couple of eggs, dip into the egg, but the secret is in the breadcrumbs. I like to do half traditional seasoned breadcrumbs and half panko breadcrumbs. I think the seasoned breadcrumbs really coat the chicken well, and it's the panko that gives it that extra crispiness. After you've coated all of your chicken tenders, I like to use one of my favorite tools to pair with my air fryer, my oil spritzer. I simply spritz the oil across my chicken tenders on both sides before placing them into the air fryer at about 400 degrees for 5 minutes or so on each side. The result is the crispiest chicken tenders you have ever tasted. I especially love them dipped in a honey mustard sauce after a little squeeze of fresh lemon. So delicious. My kids like them every bit as much as I do, and you gotta try these.